when we are on a ketogenic diet, our mitochondria actually make 4 times more ATP.
So I don't think that everybody has to be on a ketogenic diet. If you're pregnant, you might not want to be on a ketogenic diet.
Yeah.
Because you're trying to grow another human being, and that human being is sucking resources from you, sucking energy, including some carbohydrates from you. And you need to be eating enough to provide all of those nutrients. But what I will say is that for people, especially for people who are having mental or neurological symptoms, whether it's anxiety or depression or addiction, or something more serious like bipolar disorder or schizophrenia, those represent your brain malfunctioning. We know that metabolic problems are playing a primary role in that malfunction. And what that means is that the mitochondria, on average, for most illness states, the mitochondria aren't producing enough energy. And it seems to be because they have trouble using glucose as an energy source. And so when you go into a state of ketosis, glucose is still available because we all make glucose in our livers through gluconeogenesis. So your body will, you don't have to eat the glucose. Your body will make some glucose so that it's always, there's always a little bit available for any cells that might want it or need it. You're providing this alternate source of fuel, ketones and also fatty acids and other things. But for the brain, it's mostly ketones. And the brain can use ketones, and those mitochondria can use ketones even when they have trouble using glucose as an energy source. And what that means is that you can take a brain that is somewhat energy deprived. Or brain regions that are somewhat energy deprived, and so they're not functioning properly, and you can get them running on all cylinders. You can get them fully functioning. And when people's brains are running on all cylinders, they feel good. They feel balanced. They feel healthy. They're able to think clearly. They have motivation and confidence and energy. And their brains aren't doing unusual things that they're not supposed to be doing.
I tried carnivore because I thought, I had a lot of IBS issues, a lot of gut issues, which I know go along with issues with the brain, kind of the brain being a little bit more on fire. And that's why I tried carnivores. My doctor said, you have IBS and not much I can do for you, eat more fiber. And I was like, I'm going to do the opposite. Which ended up working out great for me. But it was the end of that 30 days. Not only did I have a nice flat stomach and no more digestive woes, but the mental clarity, the feeling, that the calmness I felt in my brain at the end of that 30 days was like nothing I had ever gotten from any antidepressant, anti-anxiety med.
Annotated and summarized, easy to share with loved ones. The description below the title for this video has these summary points.